Welcome to the family cuisine.
রকমারি রান্না বান্না।
Hello everyone, welcome back to the family cuisine. Hope everybody is doing well. Today we are going to take you to one of the most popular tourist spot cuisine, which is Goan cuisine, and we are going to prepare Goan fish curry. The specialty of the curry is being cooked absolutely without any oil, and we are going to cook in this clay pot. Clay pot gives you extra nutrients into your curry and it infuses the aroma into the curry. Once I get those aroma, it reminds me of my childhood, playing with my friends at the backyard of the house. I'm sure most of you have this kind of experience. This generation living in a multi-storied building and cooking in a clay pot is absolutely different level of experience. You should try it. So let's not waste time, let's get into it. And before we get in there, we are going to put a quiz for you all. What is the local language of Goa? If you know it, please write it in the comment box below. If you don't know it, nothing to be worried of, stick around, we are going to answer it towards the end of the video. To make the Goan fish curry, first of all, we have taken 4 slices or approximately 500 grams of kingfish. We have got 200 grams of grated coconut. We have got some tamarind water, salt, coriander seeds, some turmeric powder, kokum, cumin seeds, onion, ginger, garlic, some Kashmiri red chili and some green chili. Initially, we are going to submerge the fish into the brine solution, which is salt and water. We will leave it here for 10 to 15 minutes, and in the meantime, we will prepare the rest. We will dry roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and Kashmiri red chilies. We'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And it's approximately 1.5 as well coriander seeds. I will dry roast it so that we can make a smooth powder of this. Let's get the vegetables ready. I slice the onion and I'll mix them with some salt so that onion gets a little softer. Now this masala will make it smooth powder. Here we are going to add about 1 inch of ginger, 5-6 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 200 grams coconut grated that we kept it earlier. Lastly, we add the turmeric water. I kept some water handy as I need it while I'll be making the paste. Look at this smooth paste. Wow, that's nice. We have taken out the fish from brine solution. Now we will marinate the fish. We are adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. We'll give a quick mix and leave it for 10 minutes. So let's start cooking. Our clay pot is hot now. We are going to add those onions that we mix up with the salt to get softened. We already sauteed the onion. Now we are going to add the paste that we made in the blender. It depends on you how much coconut you want. If you want your curry to be thick, you add more coconut. If you want your curry to be thin, you can add less coconut. Now we are going to add water in it as per our requirement. It's 700 milliliter water that we add. Not necessarily you have to add 700 milliliter. We will lid it up and we will wait for this curry to start boiling. Then we will be adding the fish that we kept marinated. I'm going to cover it up. It's been 12 minutes. Looks like the gravy start boiling now. We are going to add salt in it. Remember, we already had salt in onion. Then we already have salt in fish that we marinate. So according to it, you have to give salt. I will add approximately 1 teaspoon, maybe a little bit more, not more than this. I'll add those green chilies that we slitted earlier. And slowly we will place the fish in the gravy. Just mixing a little bit. And we will wait for fish to get cooked. Look at the gravy color. It's beautiful. We will wait another 10 to 12 minutes and check it out. Cover it up for now. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check out the fish. See, the curry is boiling. Let's take out one fish and check it out. Wow, awesome. Fish is cooked. What we need to do is, we need to reduce the curry a little bit, and at the same time we are going to add the kokum. It gives a sourness into the curry. We are adding them. Curry has reduced a bit. You can see some oil floating on top. We did not use any oil. Where did they come from? Remember, we add coconut, so the oil came out of coconut. So this is what it is. Curry is ready to be served. Fish is cooked. Yummy! We'll stop the flame, and if you want to reduce more, you can reduce. Remember, if you reduce too much, by the time fish might get overcooked, it might break. But this is good now. We can switch it off. So that's all about the Goan fish curry. Please try it at home and enjoy it. So friends, how was it? The simple way of making one fish curry at home without any oil, very minimum spices. I'm sure you loved it. The best thing to serve with this Goan fish curry is the boiled rice. If you would like to know how to prepare the boiled rice, you can hit the link below at the description box, as we already have uploaded the video. Please try it at home, share with your friends, and do motivate us by clicking the like button, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification. The earlier quiz was, what is the local language of Goa? And the answer is Konkani. We will come back another Wednesday or Saturday with another fantastic recipe from the family cuisine. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy. Bye for now.